Hello everyone, so today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic the beard story. This is English lesson plan. Here you can see how to make format. Okay, so this is how we have to make our format. So here you can see for previous knowledge, so students had already learned many stories. On bear also they have already learned many stories. Generally you can see students will be able to read and write, to develop the interest in topic, to develop students imagination power. Here like this we have to write specific objectives, you can see here, and this is our teaching aid. So here you can see our introduction questions. I have added here 5 questions. Which animal is this? So we have to show chart of bear and student will answer. Then what type of food do they eat? And this is the answer. Like this we have to ask, do you like to pet it? Then student will answer. Have you heard stories on bear? Student will answer, yes, we have heard many stories. Do you like to hear a story of a pet bear? Then they will answer. This is our objectives: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. And after that we have to announce our topic. Here you can see. Okay, this is topic that we have to write on blackboard also. Here you can see overall look. Now let's turn the page. Presentation 1. So from here up to here we will explain everything to students, and here you can see word meaning, so we can write this on blackboard also. So after explaining we have to also ask question related to that. Here you can see questions. Here is the answers that we expect, word meanings that we have to write on blackboard. After explaining we also have to take help of chart. So teacher explain with help of chart, students observe the chart. And for teaching aid you can see chart or book, whatever we are using, we have to write. Same things we have to repeat. Question related to that, answers, blackboard work. Okay, here rest part, questions, and here is the answer. This we have to write on blackboard. Once again we have to show chart. As teacher shows chart, students observe with chart. Here chart, recapitulation. So for that 4 questions here added. Expected answer, overall look. So last page, application and evaluation. So for that here I have added 5 questions. Last one is home assignment. So this was my lesson plan on the topic the bear story. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye and take care.